Good morning, traders. My name is Jacob, and welcome to another analysis. We'll go through the AMED ticker because there is a very good fundamental background, and as always, we have commercials and insiders who increase their positions. And because we are in a very nice uptrend, I think everybody can see that we are creating higher highs and higher lows. So if we are in this very nice uptrend, there is a big potential that we will continue because of the commercials. So we'll start with trend lines as usual. If you connect points from 2018 in February and May 2019, then you will get very nice trend line. And look what happened. Market stopped there, here, and here. So we can say that this trend line is really strong. So there is a huge probability that the market will not go below the trend line, below this blue trend line. So that's the first sign. Second sign is that we are in some channel here. You can see that market was here for some period of time in a trading range, escaped to the upside and created another range. Yes, you can say, why do you want to open a trade in this trading range here? Because you can see the structure, the trading range structure. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4 legs. The truth is that I see very strong fundamental background behind this trade. We are in a very nice uptrend. Commercials heavily increase their positions. So that's the reason why I think that it's not a real trading range. It's maybe the congestion, very small range, and market just need to receive some new power to go higher. So that's the reason why I think that we are not in the exact trading range compared to hero value area. So now I have a zone there. If you look at the volume profile here, you can see that there is low volume node, here is low volume node, there is high volume node, and there is high volume node. So in these low volume nodes, I draw a zone, and you can see that market stopped at the zone here. Look, it was very nice rejection from the zone. So I think that we might open the trade today or tomorrow. We will switch to a daily chart in the end of this analysis, and we will see if there is some entry point or not. What's really interesting is this candle, this green candle. Market opened with a gap because the open was here and below of the candle, went down and almost immediately went up higher and closed at the upper part of this candle. So we can say that there was very nice rejection here from the trend line, from the major trend line that stopped the market for 2 times, here for the third time. So I think that we have a very good potential to the upside, but you can see that I have 2 question marks here because here was very nice rejection too, guys. It was very strong rejection, and it tells us that market created some trading range or some balance, or some value area. Okay, so yes, it's a little bit risky trade because we are trying to open long in a perfectly organized market. What's perfectly organized? That it has selling tail here and buying tail here. It means auction to the downside was completed, and also the auction from down to up was completed. Auction is completed by creating a long wick, and long wick was here, and long wick was always here. And we know that the market is two-way auction process. So from low to high and from high to low. And so the auction from high to low was closed here because nobody wanted to trade down. And the auction from low to high was closed here. Nobody wanted to trade higher prices. So yes, we are entering the trade in the middle of the trading range, and it's a little bit risky. But on the other hand, I see very good fundamental background behind this trade. So that's the reason why I'm about to open this trade. So again, we have trend line, we are in some channel, we have a zone. So maybe just one small bad thing is that we have rejection on both sides there. So it's a little bit risky trade. We will switch to daily chart if there is some entry. Yes, maybe today, if we will break maybe some trend line, we can draw a trend line, let's say here. Maybe we will see some 1, 2, 3 pattern, and once we break this this trend line, we will probably go higher. So we can wait and we will see what will happen today or tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching this analysis, and I hope you found some new information, especially about auction process, about wicks, about pin bars, and I wish you very good trading.